Hi, in this video we will see how we can change the default browser of Mac from Safari to Brave browser. So let's get started. So here we are seeing on link is there. If we click here, by default it is opening on Safari browser, but our goal is to open this on different browser, which is the Brave browser. So let's see how we can do this thing. So to change this thing, at first we need to click this Apple menu on the left corner of your Mac or iMac or MacBook Pro or whatever Mac devices you have. Just click there and then it will pop up this type of menu. From here you will find one option is there that is called system settings. We just need to click here and the system settings window will be open shortly. Here you will find couple of menus are on the left side and right side. There will be some options for each of the menu. From here we have to choose. One option is there, desktop and dock. We just need to click here and right side we will find different options for desktop and dock is appeared here. Here you will find many things. Our goal was to change the default browser. That's why we have to find the option where it gives us to change that thing. So we have to scroll at the bottom and like somewhere from the bottom you will find default web browser. This option is there. And on the right side you will see Safari is there. That means by default the default web browser is Safari. So to change the default browser to Brave browser, basically we just need to change this option. To make Brave browser as the default browser, we just need to choose this option. But before changing this thing, that the Brave browser is already installed on our Mac computer. If we don't have, then we just need to install it and then we have to come this option and then we can change it. Now from the default browser there will be small two arrows are there. One is up, one is down. We just need to click here and it will expanded. From here we have to choose the browser which is Brave browser because we are trying to change it to Brave browser as default browser. I'm going to click here and the Brave browser will be selected and it will be configured as the default web browser. Now we are ready to test the settings. I'm going to close it. We don't need to save it anything. By default, if we close it, it will save everything. Now let's open the link first. So this is the link. Now we'll check whether it is opening on Brave browser or Safari browser. So I'm going to click here and then we'll see that it is opening on the Brave browser. So in this way we can easily change the default browser as Brave browser for our Mac computer. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you have any question or if you have any problem to set up this thing, please don't hesitate to put in the comment section.